Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be stuffing another $30. Y'all, I am on a roll. I feel like I am sticking to it. I'm more motivated to make sure that I get this going, and I'm actually really excited that I'm doing it.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand.
Thank you so much for actually coming back. My name is Cassie J. I am trying to be debt free by September of 2026. I have 6 months to actually be debt free. And with doing so, I am trying to also make sure that whenever I travel, I have some kind of spending money to eat, to sleep, and to make sure that we get to go sightsee. So, with that being said, in June, I have a trip that I need to go that's already paid for. My April trip is already paid for. My May trip, I just got to drive there for graduation. And then in June is another graduation. So, that's why we're actually saving this little money. So, with that being said, I try to save $30 every week to go towards these challenges. I might be able to stuff more. I don't know. But my goal right now is $30. All right. So I did a couple of videos where I was just like putting all the money into one envelope, and it was irritating me because I wanted to know which one was going to be finished first, how much I needed to finish it, and then if I continue doing this, am I going to bring another challenge in here? That's what I was actually thinking, to bring another challenge so I can see if I can continue going to see how much I can save till June. That's what the idea is right now. So with that, let's go ahead and count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Oh, these are so ugly. All right, so $30. What we're doing is we're flipping a card and then we're stuffing it and seeing where this goes. Usually I do the 100 binder. I'm not doing the 100 binder right now. I just really just need, because the 100 binder, that money goes towards the move. And right now I just have so many events and stuff that are coming up right now that I need to focus on one event at a time. And that's why we're doing this with this one. So we're literally just trying to save $300 or more by June, and whatever I can get, I can get. I'm not gonna pitch a fit. Okay, so I am trying my hardest to stick to it, and then let's just see how this goes. All right, so we have first one, flip again, add 5. We starting off hot. Starting off hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Flip again, add 2. What's going on? 5. All right, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Every time you show up, you're trying to make an appearance. I know y'all saw that, y'all. I know y'all saw I was shuffling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they get the last $2. All right. All right, so we are going to count to make sure that this one is right, because I was playing with it before I started doing this video, and I felt like I messed up, so I was like, I'll just count with y'all, and if it's messed up, I'll just fix it, because I mean, it's all going to the same place. So this one saves $100, and this one, it should have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's a $10 bill in here. The dashboard does not go with this one. It's supposed to be the same girl, and I I printed out the wrong one, so I was like, oh no. So we are just going to be putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it has 22 in here. That's pretty good. We have a 10 and a 2. Perfect. All right. And then the next one we have is Love is as Good as Gold. And this one should have 10, 20, 1, 2, and 3. 23. What, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. And it's getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to have 29. Actually, pretty good. So we have 6. I was thinking I can like not stuff this round, and then next time I'll just count it and fold it up and count it so we can add it. I think we'll do that next time because those numbers are kind of big. All right, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 15, 27 already marked out. $10, $20, $5, $6, $7. And how much did I say? 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 27, 29, 39. Interesting. All right, and then we have 12. So that's actually pretty fun. I want to see how far we get. Like I said, this one, I don't know what it's going to save. I think that I'm not going to count this. I'm not going to count the envelopes now that I say that. So that at the end, we'll see. We'll see how much is actually saved whenever I stuff these. So thank y'all so much for actually being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Make sure you are subscribed, turn notification bell on, like this video, comment down below, save 300. Bye guys.